of this. Okay, everyone, so last time I talked about a platform on your app store where you can job hunt and you can get paid. Like, you can see jobs, especially if you're in the web3 world. So yeah, I talked about Dex Screener. I did a very detailed long video about Dex Screener last time. So this time I want to bring another tool for you, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to scout for job. Yeah, so in case you are watching my video for the first time on YouTube, you're most welcome. My name is Susan, and this is where I share everything: crypto trading, airdrop, web3, how to job hunt, how to earn on the side, everything legit that brings in money for you. And if you're a web3 jobber and you're not following me on X, you're not even started. And if you're a newbie on web3 and you've not joined my X community, Web3 Newbies Hub, or you've not joined the TG platform, Web3 Newbie Hub too, you are missing out. A whole lot is going on there. And I always say, it is the best platform to onboard you as a newbie into Web3. So yeah, enough of the long talk. I want to talk about the second tool you can use to scout or job hunt in Web3, and this is called DEXTools. Yeah, if you missed my first video, I'm going to be sharing the video and it's in the thumbnail, or I'm going to be highlighting it in any part of this video, or I'm dropping the link in the description box of this video. Why, if you're watching my video from X or Facebook or Instagram, you can always see I will kind of repost the previous video, so you can see that, or the link to the video be in the description box too. So yeah, this is DEXTools. You can download the app. It doesn't take much MB, and if you don't want to use the app, you can also use the web version of DEXTools. You just, for the web version, you just need to come to your favorite browsing app. I use Chrome, and just search for DEXTools. I'll also leave the link in the description box of this video, and then you are going to see it here, DEXTools. So I have the app, so I'm going to show you how to use the app. If you don't want your device choked with different apps, you can skip installing the app, but I prefer working on the app interface. You can also use your laptop to do this. I'm doing all this completely on my Android device, so you shouldn't have any excuse. So yes, let me go to the app and let us get working. Now, this is one of the easiest apps to use to scout for job. If you're a newbie, when you hear me saying scout, it means hunt for job, search for job, and you get yourself a job if you do the work well. Now, on my Web3 Newbies Hub community on TG, we job hunt live every Wednesday. At least every Wednesday, you join the call with me and my admins and every other person on the platform, and we job hunt live. We have how will I put it now, a template to follow on the job links we drop. Then on Thursday, we pitch to these different jobs we scouted for. We research them, we pitch to these different jobs we scouted for. I also drop job pitches to you on the platform if you've done your research. So trust me, if you're a newbie on this platform, this is actually the platform you want to join, the Web3 Newbie Hub. So yes, enough of that talk. Let me dive right into what brought me to this video. So this is DEXTools. This is DEXTools. So once you're on the DEXTools page, you just come there. You see that this is on all chain. You click on that drop down button, and you can select the chain or the network you actually want to job hunt on. So yeah, you can see Solana, you can see Ethereum, you can see Base, you can see BNB, you can see XRPL, you can see Tone2, a lot of blockchain. So if perhaps you want to focus on a particular blockchain like Solana or Base, just go and click on any of it. And then you can also see AVAX and abstracts. So if you want to stick to a particular blockchain, just click on it, and then it will bring out projects that are on that is blockchain. But for me, our advice as a newbie, just leave it at all. Leave that at all. You're going to be noticing some adverts popping up, or like all these adverts popping up right here. Just ignore. Yeah, so now I'm going to swipe through all the year. I'm going to swipe through to make it easier for you. I don't want to bug you with all what is showing here. I don't bug all what is showing here. Then the next thing I want you to look out for is to come here, and you are going to see this option that shows new. This option here that shows new. Yeah, keep it at this new, don't change it. You're going to see this tab that is showing star. This star tab here is the favorite. That is, if you've seen a job, a token you want to work with, you want to research on, you can just put that token in your favorites, and you can go back later to do more work on it. So you can see here, leave this tab here at new, don't change it. Leave here at all exchanges, don't change it. Then all these places like this, you will see jobs being dropped, like tokens being launched by the second. See, another one just launched right and 14 seconds ago. So see to this one, and that one is launching right now. All these are tokens, you can see them. So just launched 5 seconds ago. So tokens are being dropped by the second. That's the reason why I usually tell people that you cannot run out of project that you need to work for. The only thing is you need to dedicate at least 2 hours of your time every day to job hunt. So if you look at this option here, you are also going to be seeing projects and the blockchain, tokens or projects and the blockchains that they are built on, the blockchain or the network they are built on. Look at this particular logo here, you see the blockchain. Look at this logo, you see the blockchain. So that is one way of looking at a project and actually seeing what the blockchain or the network they are built on. So another way again of noticing the blockchain or the network they are built on is to come here and look at this token. Look at this Solana logo there. Yeah, look at this one, so Solana. So yeah, that is how to also see the blockchain that built on. So this, I'm just walking through the interface of DEXTools. This is one very, very simple tool you can use to scout for job. Then I'm just going to swipe through. And I'm going to swipe through and bring it to this option, this tab here. Swipe through here, and I'm bringing it to this option that shows new searchers. So you just click on it, and trust me, you are going to, this is like the easiest route so you can scout for a job, and this is one of my favorite job hunting tool or app for you Web3 jobbers. So if you are new to my vlog channel, you're most welcome. Do well to follow me and turn on post notification. Do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on post notification so that you do not miss out on all these Web3 tools that I will bring it to you every Wednesdays. And also do well to turn on post notification so that you do not miss out on all the updates I'll be sharing. Turn on your notification, and yes, let's get bullish. So yeah, now this particular one does a filter that it brings up the projects. Look at the token name. This one is Asta. It brings up when it was launched. It brings up the blockchain, this on BNB or the network. It brings up their socials, the X handle or the X community, the TG handle or the TG community, and the website, if any. Look at this, is like the website. Look at this one, Incog brings out the X community or the X handle, and the website is not having a TG. So if for instance you want to push this project, you can actually push this project and you want to create an X community for them after doing your research. You see, this makes the work easier for you. And then you can always go here and click on update so that it refreshes the page, right? Yeah, this is one of the fastest routes of scouting for job. You just go and click on the socials. This particular one is called CX and it's built on BNB, and it has the GitHub icon, that is, it has an account there, and it's CX, Twitter, and see the website. So this is how to get jobs, like scout for job faster on DEXTools. Then if you have somebody that is very, very detailed like me, that you want to narrow down your scouting or job hunting, you can swipe through and come under liquidity and like set up a filter for it. So your DEXTools, look at this. Your DEXTools is one very, very perfect, easy, beginner friendly job hunting platform for job hunters like us on the Web3 interface. So yes, if you found this video very helpful, leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what tool you've used. Have you used the Dex Screener? Are you going to use the Dex tool? Thank you so much for watching. See you next week Tuesday for another job hunting tool that you do not know is existing and very, very simple for beginners in the Web3 interface. Do well to tag your friends, do well to share my video to your friends so that they can follow and they can also get in the Web3 interface. And remember to join the Web3 community on X and on TG. See ya in that video. Bye for now.